What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wolf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly, and the sun is in my eyes. But today, I got a couple things I need to do. I'm changing my supercharger oil, and what else am I doing? Emptying my catch can again, because I know it's got that soupy STD gonorrhea in there. And also, guys, I need new tires. For the first time the other day, I had tire slippage. Let's get into it. But look how black my air filter is compared to my black ass hand. It's almost the same. This thing was unattached, man, and I almost, man, I don't know what told me to look under my hood, but I did. This thing was unconnected, and this elbow, look at that joint's about to come off, champ. I almost want to say I have a boost leak because my car isn't even pulling like it normally pulls, so there's something amiss under there. We're gonna have to figure that out. So if you're just tuning in, this is my Ripp supercharger. Boom, that's my Ripp catch can. My hose is down there somewhere in the black abyss. I don't know if you can see it, but it's down there, trust me. So we're gonna be changing this oil in here in a second, and seeing if we can figure out what in the world is leaking. As far as this boost issue, there's my lightweight pulley, that shiny thing down there. So that's been doing all right. I've been kind of holding on to the tool for a little while, just in case, because I didn't want to send the tool back, and then, because you rent the tool, you don't keep the tool. So I keep holding on to it, kind of keeping it hostage, just to make sure nothing's gonna leak, and I have to get the tool back out here to work on it or something like that. So I was just kind of keeping it for a little while, but I think it's safe to send it back to my man Brian. All right, got that off. I'm gonna let this oil drain in there somehow. So while I let that oil drain, I'll go ahead and show you guys the oil that you should be using. Boom. That is the only oil that you can put in the Ripp supercharger. Just a heads up, don't put nothing else in there. It will break it, trust me. So we got our oil completely drained. Go ahead and refill it. Just giving you guys a basic run through. Yep, now it's just adding this oil, which takes forever, so I'm not gonna record it. Yeah, so don't squeeze it because it puts air bubbles in the supercharger and all that weird stuff that I don't understand, but I squeeze it and yeah, they're trying to fire back at me, so you don't want no blowback. Do a basic supercharger maintenance, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Empty it out into the little bottle or whatever you want to empty it into, then fill it back up, and that's pretty much it. You put one bottle of the supercharger oil in there, there she blows. And now we're gonna empty this catch can. 1 second, guys. As you guys know, I just emptied this thing a couple videos ago, and you know I drop 2 videos a week, one or 2 videos a week, so it's already pretty full. And one other thing. Another thing, I changed my oil. As you guys know, I was using AmSoil 5W20 boosted extra large. Now I'm using AmSoil 0W40. So I think that was a good switch because the oil change, the oil in the catch can is a completely different color. Before it looked like pus and semen and STDs. Now it's pretty just black. So I'm not sure what the bottom of it looks like, but we're gonna take a look at that in a second. And don't mind all the noise. They are doing house stuff, like redoing all the siding and all that stuff. So they're kind of in the way. They're listening to a little bit of reggaeton. So try to ignore it. There it is. You can still see a little bit of, oh, that's disgusting. So next time I empty the catch can, will tell the real story to see if that oil change helped or not. This time it was a little bit of 5W20, a little bit of OW40, so it's kind of mixed. So next time I empty it, I'll definitely show you guys if I remember. Come on, brother, making all that noise. next time, I'll definitely show you guys so you guys can see that that's a change you guys should be making. If you're not boosted, don't worry about it. But if you are boosted, that OW40, that may be a good change for you. So I'll let you guys know for the next time. And then I'm gonna show you, let you guys hear this tire spin. I can't believe it. Tire spin. Me, the all-wheel drive king. Tire spin. So everything is put back together. We give you guys a startup. Not from the not a cold start from the back. We give you a cold start from the front. Pause. Let you guys hear how it sounds, because the supercharger is gonna sound weird for the first couple seconds, and then it's gonna sound normal. So, man, turn that reggaeton off, brother. Might get me demonetized, champ. All right, maybe not. Embarrassing. I don't know why I didn't start. Embarrassing. That's all I have to say. I started the old-fashioned way because that did not work. I got gas in the car. Gotta have a tank. I don't know why they would play me on camera like that. Let that oil, let it run for a few minutes. Just let the oil work itself in, let it run for a few minutes. And then that's pretty much it. As you guys saw in the clip I put in here, I reconnected my piping that was unconnected for some odd reason. Like they're trying to sabotage me so I have to come back. You know, I've always heard about people doing that, but I never thought that it was true or I would experience it. But it was deliberately loosened and taken off, because when I was retightening everything, it wasn't tight. It was literally loosened. So you take that for what it is. I'll never go back there. And I think we got a new car coming to the channel, so look out for that. I'm gonna let this oil work itself in. I'm not gonna talk you guys to death. So, oh yeah, I need new tires. I'm talking to 2 rim companies right now. I'm talking to 2 rim companies right now, seeing if we could work out some type of sponsorship situation. So I've picked rims from both places, and I'm just hoping that will work out. If not, I'm gonna have to, you know, cough up the chicken myself, which I'd rather not. But I actually love the rims from both places. One of them, they don't make rims that fit my car, but I like the way the rims look. So the fitting would have to be custom. So I'm talking to them about that and the sponsorship. Custom fitting and the sponsorship. The other company, I'm just talking to them about sponsorship. If they both tell me, hey bruh, you got 1,200 subscribers, get your little ass out of here, I'll tuck my tail and get out of there. But if we could work something out, that'd be awesome. Because you guys supporting the channel it's made a difference. It's made a difference. Places are actually contacting me, and all I have is 1,200 subscribers. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Wolves. The pack is strong. Cerberus in the back looking peacefully. All that good stuff. So shout out to you guys, man. I gotta come up with something good though. I gotta come up with something good, because this is pretty much, in my head, rims and brake calipers, etc. That's like the only thing missing from my build right now in my head as far as aesthetically goes. And the body kit. I still want the body kit, but like I said, the way my checks and my dividends is set up, it's gonna be a second. So I know for sure I'm going blue brake calipers somehow, some way. That's my plan in my head. I want blue brake calipers. So if you guys know anywhere that has blue brake calipers and quality brakes, DM me on Instagram or leave a comment here, because you know I respond to every comment, good, bad, or ugly. So I think that's one of my favorite things about the community, because you guys you may put a comment, a little comment or a long comment. You know I'm responding for sure. So a couple of you guys have messaged me on Instagram and thanked me for responding. You don't have to do. I appreciate it, but you don't have to do that. But yeah, I like to interact with you guys, man. You know, I may not answer my phone, but I'm gonna respond to those YouTube comments. Guys, I went sideways. Servers went sideways. Man, even when I'm in sport mode, the car is automatically put in all-wheel drive mode. Normally on the highway, I'm changing lanes at 60 miles an hour, smashing on it, 70 miles an hour. I can smash on it at any time and not get no tire spin. Yeah, so I can smash on it at any time. I mean, floor it, just changing lanes, doing all that stuff. Normally in other cars that'd be a big no-no, but with the all-wheel drive, I could smash on it, changing lanes, going crazy. But now, the other day I was doing like, you know, the speed limit, and then I smashed on it to do a greater version of the speed limit, and I actually was like, what? And I was in sport mode. I was in all-wheel drive mode, so I smashed on it to change lanes. You know, people were driving like they were going somewhere, but the difference is they're going somewhere. I got somewhere I got to be. Hold on, let's get past this, the bumps. Yeah, so they're going somewhere. I got somewhere to be. So I smashed on it to, you know, change lanes, and even in all-wheel drive mode, I'm getting tire slippage, which is not normal and not safe and not good, especially since I'm used to driving with zero tire slip. So rims, they're coming. Not sure from where, not sure what color, but the rims are coming. Shout out to my man Greg with the Super 6. He already sent me a couple links for rims, so shout out to him. Yeah, just guys, give me your insight. I'm not gonna drag this video out too long. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm actually having tire slip and the basic maintenance, and how that shop tried to take Cerberus out the game. They tried to assassinate me by unconnecting my boost piping. Like, you don't even need to touch boost piping to change an oil. So I don't know what they were doing under my hood. Definitely check after these shops, because they tried to sabotage me. There's no way that I could even think of anything else. Like, there's no reason to even touch the boost piping. But that stuff was coming off. And it wasn't my guys, because I was there when my guys attached everything. I saw it. I double checked them afterwards. Like, so I knew that was fine. But after I went to that shop, didn't check it. So that shop tried to assassinate Cerberus. Yeah, the guy was hating on the supercharged V6 anyway. Yeah, he looked at it like I was weird. But he looked disgusted. Especially once I told him how much horsepower it had, he looked even more disgusted. Yeah, so there's that. Let me know what you guys think, man. I'm park in a second, close this video out. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. You know about the that shop trying to sabotage Cerberus and assassinate him. Tire slippage. Yeah, pretty much it for this video, man. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments as far as rim color. I said a lot. Tune into the next one, brother. Me and Cerberus out. Cheers.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.